this. We're jumping back into our comic book series. And any time in life we commit ourselves to our goals and dreams. In this case, to be a professional wrestler, all of a sudden Deceptive will send people our way, number one, to try to discourage us from reaching that goal and dream. All of a sudden people are going to show up and they're going to say, hey, I heard you want to be a wrestler. You can't be a wrestler. You're not big enough. You're not strong. He's got to hold on. Everybody say, hold on. They're going to say, you're not big enough. You're not strong enough. You can't do it. And what are they doing? They're trying to steal his goal and dream right out of his hand, but he's holding on. Everybody say, hold on. Now watch this. If that doesn't work, the next thing that Deceptive will do is he will try to distract you from reaching your goal and dream. Is that a $100 bill over there by the door? You better go get that $100 bill over there before. Oh man, I almost got it. I almost got it from you. Maybe it's not that. Maybe as you get older, he tries to distract you with things that might, like maybe not listening in the classroom, making fun of people, right? All these things that try to steal our goals and dreams. But he's holding on. Everybody say, hold on. Come here, hold on real tight. Two hands right here in the middle. Put both hands together. Is that glove helping you or hurting you? Want to take it off for a second? You got it? Okay, you can take it off real quick. There we go. So we can hold on real tight. Two hands. I believe there's something really awesome about you. Squeeze with everything you got. Everything you got. Because I believe that one day you're going to be one of the greatest wrestlers that we've ever seen. Because he never let go.